This video covers steps for installing a Graco 4Ever family car seat rear-facing with InRight latch. We'll go over step-by-step instructions to help ensure your car seat is installed securely. Before getting started, have your car seat manual and your vehicle's manual on hand. Make sure your vehicle is on level ground. Graco supports the American Academy of Pediatrics and National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's car seat guidelines. Please review this information before proceeding. All vehicles have a latch system weight limit. If the weight of your child plus the weight of the car seat is greater than 65 pounds, please install your car seat using the vehicle seat belt. More information can be found in your car seat manual. First, remove the InRight latch connectors from storage. For easier installation, extend the latch strap to its maximum length by pressing the gray button and pulling on the strap. Push the base against the vehicle seat and make sure the car seat base is flat against the vehicle seat. Make sure at least 80% of the car seat base is resting on the vehicle seat. Make sure the InRight latch strap is in the rear-facing belt path, marked with a blue label. If you need to move the latch strap, refer to your car seat manual for instructions. Adjust the recline to position 1, 2, or 3. And ensure the bubble is completely within the blue zone. Attach both the InRight latch connectors to the vehicle's lower anchors. The latch strap should lie flat and not be twisted. Make sure you hear a click. Pull on the latch connectors to make sure they are secure. Press down firmly in the center of the car seat while tightening the latch strap. Finally, go through this checklist to make sure the installation is correct. Test for tightness. Grab the sides of the seat where the InRight latch strap is routed and slide the seat side to side and front to back. The seat shouldn't move more than 1 inch in any direction. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, pull on the latch strap to remove slack. Repeat until the seat moves less than 1 inch. Check the level indicator one more time to make sure the bubble is still completely within the blue zone. Check the height of the harness straps. For rear-facing car seats, harness straps should be at or below the child's shoulders. Raise or lower the harness as needed to ensure the harness is in the right position. Do the pinch test. Tighten the harness strap snugly by pulling on the front adjuster strap. If you can pinch the harness strap at the child's shoulders, the straps are too loose. Check the placement of the chest clip. Once buckled in, ensure the chest clip is at armpit level on your child. Raise or lower as needed. If you have all check marks, then you have a successful installation.